In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the wheel spacers on your Mercedes G-Class. Let's go. The special design of this BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped groove on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency uncontinuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.